Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. I'm from CAD NEST, myself Allauddin here. I'm a civil CAD engineer. So today video I'm just going to start about AutoCAD, and in that one attributes. So what is attributes? I'm going to start about that. Okay, fine. So what is attribute? So what is the use of attribute? See, attribute is a label or tag that attaches the data to a block. Okay, so for one particular block we are going to create. In that one we are going to attach some datas or tag or labels we are going to attach. Okay, attribute information extracted from a drawing can be used in a spreadsheet or database to produce a parts list or a bill of materials. Okay, so you can associate more than one attribute with a block provided that each attribute has a different tag. So let it be, I'll create one attribute for the door symbol. I'm just going to create here. So how we are going to create? So I'll just show you this one. So see here, so for door creation I'll just take a symbol of this door for this one. Now I'll create the symbol of the door here. Now okay, so this is my door symbol here. So for that one, now I wanted to make an attribute for this one. So what I'll do here, now I'll just make simply here one box like so I want to give some information about the window, so sorry, door. So I'll just make one title block for that one. Okay, now see here, now I have just made a one this one title block for this one. So what I'll do, I'll just make a text like multi-line text. I'll make this one, and I'll just enter one text here, that is name. I'll just give the name of this door here. So I'll just give this name to this. After giving the name, now the same thing I'm just going to copy here. Now after that, what I'll do, now I'll make this attribute. Now for attribute, what we have to do, so shortcut command is there. That one we have to enter attribute, that is ATT, enter. If you enter this ATT here, now you can enter the tag here. See, it's showing tag from tag default in this one. So in the tag I'm just going to name, I'll just enter the same name as a name. So if I'll give this name to this one, here in the prompt you can give anything here, like you can make a question mark, what is name, what is that, you can give anything here, like suppose let it be, I'll just give this one as the same thing as a name question mark I'll give here. So now here in the default, so what exact of the door name, that one we have to give the in the default here. So now I'll just give this one as a single flushed door. I'll just give this one as a single flush door, and you can enter the text how much you wanted to enter the text. Now text height, I'll enter this 0.8 here. Now I'll just place here. After placing here, now here what I'll do here, now again I'm going to enter this one here. For now see here, I have just given the name. For this name I'm just going to change this one to this one. Example here, name I have given. Now I'll just give this one as a material. Okay, so now here's the name, material, dimension and scale. So this much I have entered here. So now for that one, what I'll do here, now material I wanted to enter this one. Now again I'll enter this ATT, enter. If you enter this one, now I'll just give this name as this tag as material only. If I'll give this tag as material, now in the prompt also you can give like question mark or anything you can. I'll just give this one as material question mark. And in the default, so what material we are going to apply for the door, that one you can enter here. Example, this one I'll just give this one as a mahogany material I'll give. I'll just give this one. Now I'll click OK. Now I'll place here. So after placing here, now what I'll do, Again here, again I'll enter this attribute here. Now for the dimension I'll enter here. So I'll enter for the dimension here. Now what dimension we are going to do, that one you can make this question mark here. And here the dimension you can give the door dimension. So for the door dimension I'll give 1200 into 2100 I'll give here. So now I'll click OK. Again I'll just place for the dimension. Now scale, as per the scale how much you have taken, that one you can take now. Now I'll take this one as scale here. I'll make this question mark, and scale I'll just give 1:100 I'll give. So now I'll click OK. Now I'll just going to place here. After placing this one, so now see I have taken the information of this one. Now after that one, what you can do here, now I'll select this one again here, full box I'm just going to select. After selecting, now I'm just going to convert into block. Now if I'll take this D, enter, now you can see that we have to give the name of this block. Now I'll just give this one as a door title information. I'll just give anything you can give a name of that. After that you can just give the pick point. Pick point, if you're clicking, now I'll just select one base point for that. After selecting the base point, now you can see this block setting in that unit. So in which unit you wanted to insert this one, you can click this one like in millimeter, centimeter, inches. Now I'll keep in inches. Now I'll click OK to this one. Once if I'll click here, now you can see this one edit attribute. Now see I have taken the scale. So scale is 1:100. Dimension, this dimension is showing, and material, what material we have applied and name it is there. So now see again, if you want to do change the name of the material, now see if I'll click OK here, now you can able to see this one whatever we have changed, now it is showing here. Now this one is one particular block. Now see if you want to make any changes on that, like suppose the material I don't want mahogany, I wanted wood material. For that you can double click on that and you can click on material and you can select this one, and this mahogany I'm just going to select this one as a wood material I'll take. If I'll apply here, now see whatever I have changed, now it is changed here. So thank you so much. I hope you understood. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.